My name is Yusuf Kasim Gojara. I'm from Nigeria. I'm graduating from PAUSTI, Department of Civil Engineering, Transportation Option. Yeah, graduating from PAUSTI is something that everyone would like to experience because you're just part of the journey of Pan-Africa Union Agenda 2063. So part of the journey that makes me very excited to see how to solve African problem, because I believe in Africa problem, African solution. So the things this journey has taught me is resilience, discipline, and focus. So my research is all about sustainability. My research is into evaluating the mechanical performance of cold mix, reclaimed asphalt pavement, and incorporating crumb rubber. So all these things are all about recycling of materials. So when we look at the wrap is recycle aggregate from the pavement, and the crumb rubber is end-of-life tires, which we see that is a problem that all African countries are facing, because when we look at annually we have up to 1 billion of recycled asphalt, which mostly are not being used for any engineering constructions. And also you look at the crumb rubber in Kenya, also we have up to more than 3 million of end-of-life tires. But at the end of the day, what I look at it is how to make sure that this waste materials are being used for engineering purposes. So, and instead of keeping those waste material to be a problem to humanity, to our environment, I make sure that we use this material to solve our immediate problem, which is pavement problem. As we can see, Africa, we lack pavements, roads for connectivity and other business, and we know that road, it is an integral part for development of every country. So that is why I look at it as a challenge to find a way to solve African infrastructure problem, which I look at it as let's use this material that are not that are going to cause problem to us to see that is a solution to our problem. Actually, one of the challenge was when I came into this country. I come from sub-Saharan Africa. The weather is kind of like hot, but when I came here, it's a little bit cold, and I find it very difficult to adapt to that. And and after all, I enjoy it. Right now, I don't think I can even stay in my country because I've adapted the weather. So one of my challenge was the weather. What actually kept me motivated, it's a mantra that is, with all difficulty there is ease. So that is what has kept me motivated, because I know at the end of the tunnel I will see the light. So that is my motivating factor. What kept me motivated, it's a mantra that is, with all difficulty there is ease. So that is what has kept me motivated, because I know at the end of the tunnel I will see the light. So that is my motivating factor. As a researcher, being here in PAUSTI, it's enable collaboration with other like minds, even interdisciplinary. You have the opportunity to interact with people of similar mindset. So that is one of those cardinal points that I take to myself. I would just like to say, you just have to come to PAUSTI and experience how it is to achieve a milestone of being a researcher, because we have all the facilities here that we grant you to be a researcher. Congratulations, all the graduates. It was a difficult ride. I think it's an oxymoron feeling, a kind of sweet bitter experience, but it is worth it. So congratulations, enjoy yourself, you have done it. Thank you.